Hey everyone, my name is Jeff Batt and welcome to this course, Web Layouts with Flexbox and Bootstrap 4. I'm a technical trainer at Learning Dojo. CSS 3 introduced Flexboxes, which allow you to easily create web layouts without having to define specific column sizes. Bootstrap 4 introduced the ability to use Flexboxes instead of columns. This course is designed to walk you through hands-on examples of how to create web layouts with Bootstrap 4 Flexboxes. Some of the major topics that we'll include are getting started with Flexbox containers, combining vertical and horizontal Flexbox stacks for complex layouts, customizing your Flexboxes with additional Bootstrap utilities, and how to adapt and change your content based off size. By the end of this course, you'll be familiar with how to use Flexboxes within Bootstrap 4 and the additional utilities Bootstrap 4 provides to create custom web page layouts. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with HTML and CSS basics, as well as some JavaScript. I hope you'll join me in this journey to learn Flexbox with the Web Layouts with Flexbox and Bootstrap 4 course at Pluralsight.